Hi everyone, my name's Rebecca Burke. I'm a family law mediator and family counsellor. I'm going to be running a little bit of a series on myths or misunderstandings about mediation and how it works. So for today, I'll touch on a couple of topics that come up very frequently. One is that our matter is too complex or our level of conflict is too high. So this is very much exactly why mediators are here. We're here to help extrapolate the complexities of your situation and to help bring a resolution to that level of conflict. It might not resolve it all the way, at least some of the way would be a good start. So with very complex matters, it is our role to help you get to the bottom of your own situation. You're the expert in your life, and that's how we work. We get you to inform us and inform each other of how you can possibly move forward. So complexity and level of conflict, normally you should be absolutely good to go ahead with mediation. The next one that comes up fairly frequently is concerns that the mediator will decide who's right. So that is absolutely not the case. It is our role to be completely neutral and independent. We're here to facilitate your resolution process. So we often hear people say, oh, they'll be so charming and you'll think they're lovely, but they've done this and that to me. And that's quite possibly how they show up. But as skilled professional mediators, we are non-judgmental. It's not our role. We're there to help facilitate you draw a line in the sand and get on with your life in the best way possible. Thirdly, for today, and this is a sensitive topic, but we often have people say that mediation is not appropriate for them because they've experienced family violence. Now, in some cases, this is absolutely true. What's important to know, though, is that it's part of our role as a mediator to determine if it is safe to move forward or not. We do an intake process with both parties separately and confidentially. And as part of that, we do a safety screening process. So we really get under the hood of personality types, if there's been coercive control, violence, communication styles, the whole lot. So if there has been family violence in the past or even currently, we would normally take the position of making sure that you're not in the same room together, that you don't have to hear or see each other. You're there to, again, try and find some resolution, de-escalate rather than escalate. We're here to help minimize those kind of impacts while empowering people to get on with their lives, hopefully with less stress. So hopefully that's cleared up a little bit for today. I'll keep posting these and reach out if you have any questions. Thanks so much.